Ginger adds a spicy and bold flavor to many dishes. It's been used for centuries to alleviate symptoms caused by many medical conditions, including motion sickness, digestive issues, and even arthritis. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects make it a natural healer. While ginger does indeed boast many health benefits, there are some health conditions it can actually have a negative effect on. Pregnant. Experts have sometimes raised concerns about whether eating ginger during pregnancy can cause miscarriage. According to Dr. Sina, there is no definite evidence to prove that the consumption of ginger causes complications in pregnancy. Ginger contains many stimulates that support muscle health and aid digestion. If you're pregnant, these stimulate might end up leading to premature contractions and preterm labor. Its use is especially discouraged during the last trimester of pregnancy. A small amount of ginger can help alleviate morning sickness early on in your pregnancy, but consult with a healthcare professional beforehand. Taking certain types of medications. If you're taking medication for high blood pressure or diabetes, ginger can have a negative effect on your condition. Ginger stimulates blood thinning and reduces blood pressure, which are great benefits for the body unless you're taking these types of medications. When ginger combines with anticoagulants, beta blockers, or insulin drugs, it can cause harm to the body by lowering the effects of these medications. Underweight. If you're struggling to gain weight, skip the ginger tea or ginger-based supplements. Ginger is high in fiber. It raises the pH level of the stomach and stimulates digestive enzymes. It can aid in fat burning while lowering food cravings. Regular consumption of ginger tea or ginger supplements can end up causing weight loss, hair loss, menstrual irregularities, and poor muscle mass in those who are already underweight. Ginger alternatives. If you have one of these health conditions but you enjoy spicing up your food, there are a few ginger substitutes you can use instead. Try sweet peppers, cayenne pepper, or red paprika to add a little extra flavor to your dishes.